it down, it was now time for you to find like some kind of elastic headband or something to lay down onto your lace, just so in a few minutes when you take it off, your lace can be melted. In the clips you can see that I thought I could use the band that came with the wig, but turns out it was I need to go figure out why it's this light patch right here, and I'll get back with you guys on baby hairs and a bit more plucking, because as you guys can see, it's really thick around the front and I want it to look a bit more natural than that. So with that being said, I'm gonna go figure out like this front, like this side. Amazing. Wait, let me turn this brightness down. This side, amazing. Then you come on this side. I think I didn't pull the wig far enough onto the cap, and you can kind of see, let me turn my brightness down. You can kind of see the outline. Now for my baby hairs, you can see me looking at my phone because I was just casually touched the hot comb like it wasn't hot and burnt myself. Just great. And for the last and final step, you want to get some of your Got2b spray and spray it towards the back where you may have any lumps or anything from your part. And you are pretty much done. This came out so good for my first time. I was so excited with the outcome and very impressed and happy. Like what? Like I really did that. I just think it looks really good for my first time. I think I did a pretty good job. I watched many videos before I even decided to do this myself. I was like, I told my spam account, if you don't follow that account, it is more of Mikaria. I told you guys that I was going to get a wig from a company and try to install it myself, because I feel like that would be a very interesting video, so you guys can see my take on trying to do it, and maybe you guys can get you guys a wig and try to do it yourself. The hair was from Beauty Forever, and in the box it came with a wig cap, a shower cap, and the hair. So you guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Also, don't forget to click the links in the description box down below to purchase this wig.